Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove shared files from Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing shared files from Google Drive involves either stopping the sharing of the file or completely deleting the file if you no longer need it. But please remember that removing files that contain sensitive or confidential information to prevent unauthorized access and ensure privacy. You can reduce the risk of data breaches by controlling who has access to important files. Of course, you can keep your shared files organized and ensure that only current and relevant parties have access. Now, I need you to go to the shared folder that you wanted to remove. Now, once you are inside the Google Drive, I need you to click the shared with me. These are the items that has been shared with you. Now here, all you're gonna do is right click on the files that you wanted to be removed by clicking the buttons here. Click the more action and click on remove. It's that easy. Now, you can remove outdated or irrelevant files to keep your Google Drive organized and reduce clutter. Because you can streamline your file system by eliminating the files that are no longer needed or relevant, making it easier to find and manage your remaining files. You can maintain accurate records and audit trails by removing the files that are no longer relevant to current projects or operation. But of course, when removing large or unnecessary files, you free up your storage space in your Google Drive account, especially that if you have limited subscription. Right now, I'm 82% full. And of course, I need as much space as I can because I'm only using the free subscription plan here in Google Drive. If in case you encounter any problems along the way removing shared files from your Google Drive, just go to the Google Drive help, enter your problem to see if you get an answer, or simply go to the post to the help community, post your question here to see if one of the active members of the community might have a guideline or an insight on how to troubleshoot the problem if in case you encounter any issue removing your shared files from your Google Drive account. All right? By understanding these reasons, you can make informed decisions about managing and removing shared files from Google Drive, helping you maintain a secure, organized, and efficient file storage system. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.